Hello everyone, I'm Anis from A Square Solutions. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a healthcare lead generation website template that we recently built using Hostinger Horizons. So this is a modern responsive website structure designed for healthcare business, medical suppliers, or lead generation agencies. The home page include a professional layout, product sections, and a qualification form that helps collect potential customer leads. Here you can see the product category section. So this layout can be customized for different healthcare products or services depending on the business needs. And one of the key parts of the website is the qualification form. Visitor can submit their information here, which can then be used by business for lead generation and customer contact. And the website also includes a contact page where users can send inquiries directly. And for compliance and professionalism, the website also includes a privacy policy page and proper footer implementation. You can see that. So this website was built using Hostinger Horizons, which makes it very easy to create and deploy modern websites quickly. So you can find the link in the description if you want to try it yourself. Also make sure to check out the other playlist on this channel where we cover AI insights, digital marketing tutorials, space science, geopolitics, and online business systems. And if there is any topic you would like us to explain in future videos, you can write it in the comments. We read the comments and try to create videos based on your suggestions. If you found this video insightful or helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. I'm Anis from A Square Solutions. Thanks for watching.